In the heart of the 1920s, an era of glitz and glamour, a revolution was brewing. The jazz age had arrived. New York City, a vibrant metropolis, was its epicenter, pulsating with the rhythm of a newfound freedom. The decade began with the echoes of World War I still reverberating, yet the nation's spirit was far from somber. The war's end had ushered in a sense of relief and renewal, and the people were ready to dance. The streets of Manhattan were alight with the sound of jazz, a music born from the struggles of African Americans in the South. It was a genre that transcended racial boundaries, uniting people in a shared exuberance. In the smoky, dimly lit speakeasies, flappers moved with abandon, defying the rigid Victorian norms that had been in place for decades. Women were shedding their corsets and donning bobbed hair, demanding equality and the right to vote. The Roaring Twenties was not just a celebration of hedonism and excess. It was a time of great artistic and cultural awakening. Art Deco architecture, with its sleek lines and bold colors, dominated the cityscape. Books like The Great Gatsby and Tales of the Jazz Age captured the spirit of the era. However, this era of revelry was not without its shadows. The stock market boom and bust, culminating in the infamous Black Tuesday, plunged the nation into a devastating economic depression. The disparity between the haves and have-nots became stark, and the dream of the jazz age seemed to fade. Yet, the jazz age left an indelible mark on American society. It challenged norms, broke barriers, and fostered a sense of liberation. It was a prelude to the social and cultural revolutions that would follow, a testament to the power of music, art, and the human spirit. In the end, the Roaring Twenties stood not just as a decade of excess, but as a turning point in American history, a time when tradition was shattered and the stage was set for the modern era. The rhythm of the jazz age may have faded, but its spirit lives on, resonating in every beat of a jazz drum, every note of a saxophone, and every defiant step towards freedom.